Welcome to artbarsurf.com. We are so pleased to introduce you Reddit automation tool, which can create a Reddit account in bank. Also can auto upvote, downvote, follow and follow, join a post in communities, post message, upload evidence, create users, or check karma of Reddit accounts in bank. When you buy Reddit automation software, we will provide you with two links. The first one is software link and the second is user agent file. To download these files and then click extract here to extract to unzip the Reddit automation, and then you will receive this Reddit automation folder. Then you open this, double click on Reddit automation to open the software. You launch it with username and password provided, and you will see the interface here. There are some basic systems that you have to set up before running any function. The first one is run. The number of runs is the number of times that you want the server to run. If you set it at the default like this, then the server will run continuously until you stop it. And the second one is threads. The number of threads is the number of tabs or windows that the server runs at the same time. That also the number of accounts will be created at the same time. For example, I put 5 here. 5 Reddit accounts will be created at the same time, so you should provide number of threads that complies with your computer configuration. Next is accounts. You have to import data into the software before you run any concert function. So in this video, I will instruct you to register accounts with Gmail. So we will import Gmail accounts into this field. To import, you click on this icon, data, and you will see the database manager's dialog box here. There are 2 ways for you to import Gmail accounts. The first one is do it manually. You click on this icon, add group, then to type the group name here. For example, I will read text. Then click OK. You will see the group here. Click on this group and click on this icon, add item. Then you will see a dialog box here. You will import Gmail accounts into this. For example, this is the username and this is password. Email to is recovery email. And then you click OK. You will see the information of accounts will be imported here. And another way for you to import data is to create a new text file, which is called, for example, accounts. Then you open this. You enter Gmail password and recovery mail here. And then you will use commas to separate these ones. Password and then recovery mail. And then you save this, call this, click on convert, import CSV, then click on this icon, select the text file of the accounts created. Open and then click OK. Then you will see the data will be imported with the group CSV. You can rename this group by click on this icon. For example, text 2 or text 1. Click OK. And then you close the database manager. Come back with accounts. You click on this to select the group of accounts that you want to run with the software. For example, test 1 or test. Next is process charts. There are 3 choices for you to choose here. The first one is from file, and if you select from file, you have to import file proxy in this field. And with this field, there are 2 choices for you to choose. The first one is lines from file. With line from file, you have to create a new text document. Name it proxy. And you enter browsing formats, IB and ports here, and then click to save. Then click on this icon, select the browsing file you have just created. And with line from URL, you paste the link address of browsing that you hire or you rent from the browsing provider. And the second choice here is from data. When you select this, the software will use browsers that were imported with Gmail accounts in Database Manager. So you click on this icon and import browser endpoints or a browser username and password, if any, into this Database Manager. In case you don't have browsing, you can select no browsing, and the software will use the IP of your computer to create ready accounts. If you create too many ready accounts on the same IP, your accounts will be banned. Therefore, this option should be only used to create the number of fewer than 10 ready accounts. And in this video, I will select from file. Turn to the user agent file. This file will be provided to you when you buy the software, and just download it and click on this icon, select the file downloaded. Next, in the action field, because I want to instruct you to register Reddit accounts with Gmail, so in this session we will select Reg with Gmail. Next, with cookies folder. Folder cookies is a place where the software will store cookies and profiles of accounts. So for the next run, the software will use these cookies and profiles without logging again into accounts. You will create a new folder, name it cookie. And then get path to paste into this field. You will do the same with data. You create data folder and then get path to paste into this field. Next is the random delay. You see, the random delay is the range of time between 2 actions, or in other words, 2 clicks of the software. The unit is milliseconds, so if you set up like this, the software will randomly delay in 3 to 5 seconds before the next click. Next is the sleep. Sleep is the range of time among run times. The unit is milliseconds, so if you set up like this, the software will delay in 5 to 7 seconds before performing the next turn of threads. Next is the key to captcha.com. You need to create an account at captcha.com, search for the captcha and get key to put into this field, this one. The next section is username. You can see here, to see the username at default, you click on this icon, click on H text. You can see the username will be created here. If you want to customize it, you can enter the username you want here, and you can use Bing test. For example, and you can click to text, H text. You will see here. Yes, and do the same with the ready password. This one, click on H text. If you want to see the password will be created at default, and if you want to customize it, you can enter by yourself here. This will be entered by the Bing text format. And then you click on Add Test to see how the password will be created. Okay. These mentioned above are the sections that you have to start with to create Reddit accounts in Run. Finally, you click OK to run. The account created will be saved in Data Manager. So you click on this data, you will see the register column and email confirm here. These are the confirm that these accounts had been created ready accounts. You can see username and ready password here. These are steps you have to take to create Reddit accounts with Gmail accounts in Brink. You can visit artabastaff.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.